Calling all teachers. If you're looking for a way to inspire and engage your students, RoboGarden is the answer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to teach your students coding. It's an investment in their future and an essential skill for success in today's world.
That's why coding is so important. It's not just for computer scientists or engineers. It's a skill that everyone should have.
A complete roadmap of state-of-the-art digital skills.
Fun and interactive game-based learning.
Enabling students to learn coding concepts, STEAM subjects, and positive morals in a fun environment. Devoted to making a real impact in the classroom and beyond, a K-12 and NGSS-compatible curriculum has been designed and built by educators and pedagogical experts, just like you.
Just like you.
It is divided into adventures, which act as lessons. Each adventure contains a tutorial quiz, 5 missions that gradually increase in difficulty, and a quiz to check the student's understanding before moving on to the next one.
With features smart enough that gives outdated classrooms a makeover and bringing them back to life.
Assign learning journeys, create cohorts and track student progress through classroom, teacher, and student management modules. A learn-by-doing approach.
Learn by doing.
Through a game-based learning environment that adapts to the way kids think. While they play, they grow the essential 21st century skills.
While we play,
a management system and up-to-date learning content.
All within a gamified platform. No prior programming experience is required to teach with RoboGarden. With blended learning approach, RoboGarden cuts down on instructor time. Watch video tutorials, solve drag and drop coding missions, and get automatic evaluations and hints.
As they build their skills, they will receive badges and take quizzes to assess their knowledge.
Smooth transition from Blockly to the textual languages, Python and JavaScript, a curriculum designed with school learning outcomes in mind.
Creativity modules, game and app studios.
With logic and level editors and AI game features.
I had so much fun at RoboGarden. The tasks were awesome and I felt really proud when I completed them.
Publish and share their work with a lively community of other creators.
We value engagement.
They can even remix other students' games and apps and take a peek at how they wrote the code.
The robots were so cool and I learned so much about coding.
Effortless management, tried and true formula, and outstanding outcomes. Visit playground.robogarden.ca to learn more.